Hello and welcome to GLA's pocket size class. Our topic today is vocabulary. Okay, and vocabulary is something that really helps us in enhancing the quality of our conversations because the more words that we add to our word bank, the better that we can make our sentences and the way we speak with people. So, in our today's vocabulary section, we have three such words that we could add to our word bank. The first word being spectrum. Spectrum. Generally, spectrum is a word that is used to talk about colors. Okay. Uh, for example, the spectrum of colors in the rainbow. All right, the spectrum of colors in the rainbow, you would talk about the number of colors there. But spectrum can generally be also used as a word to denote range. Okay, so if you're talking about a large range of something, okay, you could actually use the word spectrum. All right, they had a large spectrum of samples to show to their buyer. Okay, so in a range of colors. So the spectrum is a good word that can be used appropriately to denote a large range. Okay, our penultimate word is actually penultimate. Now, penultimate means one before the end. Okay, before the end would be penultimate. So if you look at it, it actually is made up of these two words here, pen and then ultimate. Now, ultimate means final, okay, or at the very end, right? So penultimate is just before the end, okay. For example, if there is a seminar for 5 days, all right, and you want to tell someone that you will be meeting them one day before the seminar ends, all right, so you will tell them, okay, the seminar is for 5 days, I will meet you on the penultimate day. So penultimate would mean you're meeting them on the fourth day, which is the penultimate day or one day before. All right. So penultimate is one day before the last. All right. Or one before the last. Okay. Our third word is rendezvous. Rendezvous, French origin word, but used a lot in the English language for a long time now. And a rendezvous is actually a fancy word to use for the word meeting. All right. So if you are meeting up with someone, or if you have an appointment with somebody, you would say, I have a rendezvous with this fashion designer to discuss my wedding dresses. Okay, you have a rendezvous. All right. So, for our vocabulary section today, spectrum, let's put it this way, our spectrum of words today start with spectrum and then penultimate and finally rendezvous. Okay. So, hopefully, that adds to your word bank and helps you to garnish your language better with usage of these words in your sentences. If you like the information that we gave you here, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we will be bringing to you many more such videos in our pocket size class, which not just talk about vocabulary, but many other interesting things to help us enhance our daily English speaking skills. So, till the next video, please take care of yourself and all the best.